You've seen lots of my videos. Now what do we do? File an answer or a motion to dismiss? I'll give you 50 seconds. Of course you file a motion to dismiss. It's a beautiful thing. They got a nothing and we're going to show them everything that they don't have. So I'm going to attach to this motion, obviously, the actual motion to dismiss. You'll put in your state or court rules. I used a Michigan case, but it's schematically a good skeleton for you. You just add your facts and law. But let me just put up a little bit. Shazam. A, FNBO lacks standing, and I cite the court rule. And number 3, I left out the others. You can go to the Killdebt.com to see everything else. But paragraph 2 of the complaint specifically states the debt was transferred to plaintiff without saying from where and by whom. Where's the assignment? And then you put in the actual allegation. So you always have to support, which is more than they do, and courts recognize that. You can see the other parts. And then I say at B, complainant paragraph 6 shows no ownership of the debt. First National Bank of Omaha and or plaintiff completed performance under the terms of the contract. Defendant defaulted under the terms of contract, terms and conditions of the contract. You gotta have the contract. So I snarkily write in my motion, Shazam again, they did not write, and I go down a list, the owner of the debt, the owner of the receivable, the owner of the obligation, the assignee of the original creditor, holder of the written instrument, who is the creditor under TILA Regulation Z definitions. Those are all questions. You keep asking questions. You may get a motion to dismiss. I may get a motion to dismiss. But if I don't, what I will have is an alternative. I file with it, as you know. Here's all my do I answer or do I file a motion to dismiss video right there. And in that, I say you always file a motion for more definite statements. So if they, Parker, I'm not going to give you the motions this early, but I will make them. And you've given them all the documents that are missing. So the court's going to go, well, I'm not going to let someone completely win. It's the Solomon rule. They cut the baby in half. Parker, I will give you that they've got to give you all those documents that you show are missing. It's essentially the same thing that I've won the motion to dismiss based on lack of standing of documents. By the way, Parker GPT does everything I just said at the click of a mouse. These documents will go into Parker GPT, as will the motion to dismiss, an answer, all those letters, everything I just talked about to give you a winning case and beat back the bad guy debt collectors. Parker GPT does it all.